Hello everyone, my name is Revathi. I have completed MSc Computer Science and I am an aspiring analyst. I have joined in Internshala for the Data Science PGC program. In Tableau, I got project for the Bike Heaven to visualize informatic dashboard of sales data of bike shop and to generate insights that would help business to drive the operations better. Our focus is on tracking the sales volume of products, clients, and timeline. For this, we got database file as star file from here. In that file, we have tables like customer details and sales, date details and product categories, subcategory, and geography. And also we got budget CSV file for the 2023. We used to compare values against our their performance, and also we analyze sales data from the previous 2 years. That means from 2021 to 2023. For this, first of all, I created some tables in SQL, PostgreSQL. The tables like customer table, date table, and geography table, and internet sales, product, product category, and subcategory. I have created these tables and I uploaded the star file into these tables with the help of copy command. After uploading this data into tables, I run these files and I join some tables like product, product category, product subcategories, and I extract data from 2021 to 2023. After cleaning the data, we got tables like customer data, product details, and date table, and geography table, and internet sales table, and sales budget table. This is after cleaning the data, we have tables like this. After this, I uploaded these files into Tableau. I uploaded files into Tableau. I took internet sales as a data source and I connected customer data into internet sales by using customer key, and I connected product data to internet sales by using product key, and sales budget table to internet sales by using order date key, and geography table I connected to customer table by using geography key, and date table to sales budget table by using date and date key. This is the table relationship I created. We need to calculate after creating uploaded in Tableau. We need to calculate top 10 products by sales amount, visualize charts for this, and top 10 pro customers, and sales figures versus budget, sales figures by region, product categories, sales amount. We need to create charts for this. First, I took top 10 customers by sales amount. For this, I created bar chart. For this chart, I took columns in sales amount, sum of sales amount, and product name, product ID in rows. And I took country name as filter, and sum of sales amount in colors so that the colors is visible here, and sum of sales amount in text so the sales amount is total sales amount is visible here. And I took this country name as filter. This is for the overall top 10 products by sales amount in all the countries. If you want to see for the only one country, that is for the France, it's look like this. If you want to see for the US, the top 10 products and the sales amount is like this. Like this, I created for the top 10 products by sales amount, this bar chart, and I created story. Like this sheet visualizes top 10 products based on sales amount. For this, I took product name, product ID fields in rows and sum of sales amount in column. And I used a filter for product name and country name so that we can find top 10 products in each country based on sales amount. After that, we need to create chart for top 10 customers. For this, I created a bar chart. For this also created bar chart. In columns, I took sum of sales amount and rows, customer name, customer ID, and country name as usual filter, and sum of sales amount in colors. So the colors visible here, various colors, and sum of sales amount in text. So the sales amount is visible here. This is overall for the all the countries, top 10 customers. If you want to see for the one country, that is for France, it's look like this. This is what I created top 10 customers by sales amount. And I created story for this, like this sheet visualizes top 10 customers based on sales amount. For this, I took customer name, customer ID fields in rows and sum of sales amount in columns. And I used a filter for customer name and country name to find top 10 customers in each country. This is what I created for top 10 customers. After that, we need to create for chart sales figures versus budget. The top 10 customers chart would help to service to them. Good relationship with them for this top 10 customers chart. It is useful for that. And I created for sales budget. This is what I created. I took bar chart in columns, my date of month, and sum of budget in rows, sum of sales amount in rows, and I took country name in filters and the year of date in date of year in filters, and sum of sales amount text. So the sales amount is visible here, and measures. I combined two charts, line chart and a bar chart in one chart. This line chart is represents the sales amount. The bar chart is for the budget. This is for overall the countries in all the 3 years. If you want to see for the 2022 only for all the countries, it's look like this. And in 2022, for only for the United Kingdom, the sales amount budget comparison is like this. If you want to see for the Canada, it's look like this. If you want to see for the all the 3 years for Canada, it's look like this. The sales amount budget is like this. And I created story for this, like this sheet visualizes actual sales sum and budget sales comparison. This is the budget and this is the sales amount. For this, I took budget sales amount fields in rows and month of date in column, and I used a filter for year of date and country name to find each year monthly wise sales in each country. This is what I created for sales budget chart. After that, we need to create for product categories sales amount versus sales amount. For this, I took map chart. In this language I created in columns and latitude I created in rows, and I took country name and sum of sales amount in colors. So the colors is visible, different colors in countries, and country name, sum of sales amount in text. So country name and total sum of sales amount is visible here. This is for the overall countries and the total sales amount. You want to see for the only one country, the total sales amount is like this. For the Canada, it's look like this. And this is the country and the total sales amount, reason wise sales amount. This is for the overall country, it's look like this. And I created story for this, like this sheet visualizes map for total sales amount in each country. For this, I took latitude fields in rows and longitude in a column, and I used filter for country name to find top total sales in each country. This is what I created for sales and region. After that, I created pie chart for the category wise sales. In this, I took country name in filters, category name in filters, so that is visible here, country name and category names, and that sum of sales amount in text. So the sum of sales amount is visible. Sum of category names in colors, the different categories in different colors. Category name in text, so the category name also visible here. This is the pie chart I created, and this is for the three categories in the overall now all the countries. If you want to see for the only one country, this is the sales amount, it's visible like this. If you want to see for the Canada, it's look like this. And if you want to see for the only for accessories, this is what it's look like. Want to see only for the clothing, it's look like this. For the bikes, it's look like this. But the bikes only, it's the more sales amount is in Canada. This is for the overall all countries and all categories look like this. And I created story like the sheet visualizes sales amount based on categories, total sales amount based on the categories in all the countries. For this, I took country name and category name in filters as sales amount field and sales amount in marks to show different categories occupies more sales based on the pie chart. Which category occupies more in the pie chart? It's visible like this. That's what I created for categories versus sales amount, and I created subcategories also based on the sales amount. This is what I took tree map. In this, I took sum of sales amount in filters and country name in filters. After that, I sum of sales amount in colors and product name, subcategory name, and sum of sales amount in text. So the product name here, subcategory name, the total sales amount is visible here. This is for I created subcategories. This is for overall countries. If you want to see for the only one country, you can select from filter in country name, Germany. So this is the product name, the subcategory name, and the total sales amount in the Germany. This is what I created subcategories, sales amount, and I created story like in this sheet refers tree map for visualizes the subcategories in each country based on sales amount. For this, I took filters as country name and sum of sales amount, and in marks I used sales amount as text and in colors for better visualization. This is what I created for subcategories based on the sales amount. After creating these charts, I created dashboard. This is the Bike Heaven Tableau project. The top 10 sales amount, the top 10 products by sales, sales amount, budget, sales amount by categories, sales amount by region and city, sales amount by subcategories. These are all I filtered for like a customer country name I took. This is for the overall country, top 10 customers, top 10 countries, so products, sales amounts and budget, and the categories, subcategories, total sales amount for the region, city, subcategories, categories, all those things. This is what I created dashboard for the all the countries. If you want to see for the only one country that took for the France, slide please. This is for the only France, top 10 customers, top 10 products and the sales amount, and the sales budget graph, the bikes, clothing, accessories, categories wise sales amount, the France region wise sales amount, this is a subcategory wise sales amount, category, subcategory, and the total sales amount. This is what I created, the Bike Heaven Tableau project. This is for the, all the countries. It's look like this. This is what I created for the Bike Heaven Tableau project. Thank you so much.